vacation, I traveled to Medellin with my family. We traveled on December 29th. We stayed there for 8 days. We arrived at night and checked our reservation at the hotel. Then we went for a walk through the small town plaza. My husband and I took a walk along the river, watching the Christmas decorations, and then we had hamburger near the hotel. All it was wonderful in Medellin. The weather was very good. It was hot in the day and cold in the night. It was fantastic because in my hometown the weather is hot. It was a fantastic experience. The weather in Medellin. The weather in Medellin presents three types of season. When it's summer, it is usually warm and sunny, but when it is winter, it is cloudy and breezy. People should go to visit the Peñón in Guatapé. People should eat bandeja paisa. People should try the delicious mazamorra. People must observe Botero's sculptures. People can go for a walk in the little town Paisa. People can have fun in the North Park. People can go to the Botanical Garden. People can go to the Museum of Antioquia. What you should do? People shouldn't wear loud clothing at night. People should not go to the Comuna 13. People shouldn't swim in the Guatapé Dam. Thank you for being Medellin, one of the most beautiful cities in Colombia.